The VITA Classic Shade Guide can be arranged according to value with B1 on the far left side of the guide. Each specimen to the right then becomes progressively darker until the darkest specimen, C4, is reached. The shade guide is held below the teeth and moved from side to side to determine the portion of the guide that most closely matches the lightness or darkness of the teeth. The samples on the far left side of the shade guide, the highest value specimens, are too light. The samples to the right of the lightest shades appear close to the correct value. 4 samples from this area of the guide, shades B2, D2, A2, and C1, are then removed from that part of the guide for a more detailed comparison. The C1 sample on the right side of the 4 shade tabs appears to be a little too dark, so it is eliminated. Shade B2 is also eliminated because it is perceived as being a little light or high in value. Squinting your eyes, thereby restricting the amount of light entering the eye, enhances our ability to perceive value and can be used here to reveal the slightly high value. Simultaneously viewing all 3 of the remaining possibilities helps to validate that the B2 specimen does not match as well as the other 2 samples. The 2 remaining shade tabs, D2 and A2, are viewed simultaneously, and a decision is made that the D2 specimen is the closest color match. The D2 shade tab is moistened by rubbing its facial surface against the cheek. The teeth are also moistened by the tongue, and the tab then held below the teeth for evaluation. Shade D2 is confirmed as being the best overall match.